Hi everyone, I'm Kev and welcome to this week's Draw Along. This week we are going back to our anatomy series and we are going to look at drawing the female figure using Supergirl as our model. However, before we begin, let's take a quick look at the history of Supergirl. Supergirl is the alter ego of Kara Zor-El and the cousin of the big blue boy scout Superman. Kara was created by Otto Binder and Al Plastino and first appeared in Action Comics 252 in 1959. Supergirl has had many origins, but the most up-to-date version has her placed in a rocket ship as a teenager, escaping the planet Krypton at the same time as her baby cousin Kal-El did. Kara's ship traversed the cosmos for many years before finally reaching Earth. When she awoke, she was shocked to find her baby cousin had fully grown into the champion of this new planet, Superman. While angry at first, Kara was inspired by her cousin and became Supergirl. Okay, before we start drawing, let's take a quick look at the figure and note some things before we begin. Supergirl here stands at 8 heads tall, as most adults do, be they female or male. When we sketch out the female figure, remember the hips are wider than the shoulders. This is the opposite with male characters. Think of using a figure 8 for your female character's torso as well. It is also important to remember that we use softer, smoother lines when drawing a feminine character. Now that we know these basics, get your pencils ready and let's begin.
Okay, as usual we start with the head. And then we go out and line out the do the stick figure underneath. As you can see, the line for the hips are wider than the line for the shoulders, as I was saying earlier in the video. And again, remember those shapes we use. As this is Supergirl, I wanted to have her in a kind of super pose rather than just drawing kind of a generic pose. Go in and start connecting things. And now we're going to go in with the penciling. Remember, when drawing faces, eyes about halfway down the face, nose halfway between the chin and the eyes, and mouth halfway between the nose and the chin. I messed up here, and later on in the video I adjust where I put her mouth. Again, we're making Supergirl look strong, but we're not making her look muscular like we would with a male superhero. There's still definition there's still muscles, but she's still soft and smooth, and that's what we're trying to get when we draw a female character. We want there to be a kind of smoothness to them. So for this, I drew the figure out completely before putting her skirt on and clothes. And for the hair, a great place to find like examples of hairstyles is probably Pinterest or Google it. Yeah, this didn't come off the top of my head. I had to Google a hairstyle, which I used then. So this is a thing when going in and drawing like characters with capes and stuff, you still want to draw like the figure underneath. So again, with Supergirl's skirt, You still want to draw kind of the figure underneath. Oh, that's where I adjusted the mouth. Yeah, the mouth was too high. And now onto the inking stage. A few more tips about drawing the face on a female character. So the eyes I tend to draw larger than I would on a male character. Remember the eyelashes as well. And her nose is usually, again, smaller than I would draw on a male character. These are just ways to kind of keep the face pretty. And as you can see, I kind of smoothed out the jawline as well on Supergirl here. So we drawn the figure, which was the main kind of purpose of this video. So I'm going to let the video play out and I'll come back at the end and just sum up what we've kind of learned. Right then, enjoy! So there we have it, folks, our finished Supergirl in all her Kryptonian glory. If you have drawn along, please send your drawings across to me at KevsDrawAlong on Instagram, and I'll be sure to share them either here on a video or on the gram itself. Also, if you have enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like on that or a comment, and also check out the other wonderful shows here on the Nerd Herd channel. Next week, I've got something special lined up, which I'm currently working very hard on, and I hope you'll all enjoy. It's something a little different to this kind of draw along video, but again, it's related to comics and about drawing comics still. So anyway, again, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep drawing. Bye bye.